Hello, good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Andre, and today we are going to make a simple but effective security system, either for your home or your room. The materials we are going to use are a transistor 2N2222, an infrared emitter, an infrared receiver, a LED, a resistance of 100 kilo ohm, and two resistors of 1 kilo ohm, breadboard, cables, and a 5-volt power supply. In my case, I will use a cell phone charger. The transistor consisting of 3 pins: the emitter, base, and collector. Okay. Yeah. First, on the breadboard, we will assemble the infrared emitter connecting a resistance of 1 kilo ohm from the positive side of the breadboard to the positive pin or emitter of our emitter. Yeah, 1 kilo ohm. Yeah, of our emitter. Then we will breathe the negative of the emitter with the negative breadboard, with the negative pin emitter of the emitter with the negative of the breadboard. Yeah. Oh. Breadboard, ya está. Next, we will arm the infrared receiver connecting. Okay. The infrared receiver connecting. Yeah. Okay. Connecting a resistance of 1 kilo ohm to the collector of transistor. To the collector of the transistor. Yeah. Of the transistor. Other 100 kilo ohms to the base of the transistor. The base of the transistor. Yeah. To the base of the transistor. Then we connect the positive pin. Then we connect the positive pin of the receiver is, in this case, the short to the base of the transistor. to the transistor, and we bridge the negative pin with the side negative of the breadboard. Yeah. Next, we connect. Next, we connect a transistor emitter. We connect a transistor emitter led to negative side of the breadboard. Okay. When it is turned on, it will let us just know that the alarm has been activated. Okay. Yeah, just. The circuit works well. We connect the cell phone charger. Oh. Vaya. Vaya. Okay. Vaya. Okay. Yes.